Hello dear traders, you are watching weekly stock market review on InstaForex TV channel with me, Tahmina Salomova. US stock went on another design right Friday and walked their way back from an early morning plunge as investors viewed that reaction to an announcement of tariffs as overdone. Much of that weakness came after US President Donald Trump on Thursday announced tariffs on steel and aluminium import and subsequently escalated the rhetoric around a potential trade war, considered a major political risk for markets. The Nasdaq Composite rose to end at 7,257.87 as the iShares Nasdaq Biotechnology gained 2.4%. For the week, the Nasdaq shed by 1.1%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average closed lower at 24,538.6 after falling as much as 391 points. Johnson & Johnson and Merck were among the best performing stocks in the index, while McDonald's shares performed the sharpest decline. Over last week, the Dow fell by 3.1%. The S&P 500 went up to settle at 2,691.25 after falling more than 1%. The healthcare sector was the best performing sector. For the week, the S&P lost 2%. On Friday, President Trump said in Twitter that trade wars are good and easy to win. Some of the US largest trading partners have already threatened to retaliate, including the European Union, which has said it will take the matter to the World Trade Organization. Recent volatility bumps have come because investors evaluate the prospect of inflation and the probability that the Fed would have to be more aggressive in raising interest rates to combat a new environment. Inflation fears led to the first correction for the Dow and S&P 500 in about 2 years. Now the Dow is 7.8% below its record, the S&P is down by 6.3% and the Nasdaq is 3.3% below its peak. In corporate news, Foot Locker shares tumbled by 12.7% after the company reported a bigger than expected decline in same-store sales for the previous quarter. Foot Locker's same-store sales shrank by 3.7%, while analysts had expected a decrease of 2.5%. In addition, the athletic show and apparel retailer provided a downbeat outlook. Shares of Gap rallied by 7.8% after the retailer posted better than expected fourth-quarter sales and said its comparable store sales rose in 2017. Gap earned $205 million, or 52 cents a share, in the quarter, which includes $34 million of provisional net tax impact related to the U.S. tax overhaul, and compares with $220 million, or 55 cents a share in the year-ago period. You have watched weekly stock market review on InstaForex TV channel. We wish you profitable deals. Good luck!